Welcome to my first video on this channel. This is Cole Productions, and I'll be explaining to you exactly what beginners need to do on DaVinci Resolve, and let's get right into it. So first off, you would obviously open up DaVinci Resolve. It might take a bit because it's a little bit of a bigger editing app, and you'll hit new project, I guess. Then you should open up to this screen right here. So you see your media pool. You'd go into your files, find the video. Putting on your second screen might work. And dragging or some sort of form drag it into this bottom area. You could also right click on the bottom and hit add track, which you add another soundtrack, or add a soundtrack, then hit add track above and it'll be another video track. So after you've got that, I got this test video, you can listen to it real quick. Hey guys, this is a test video. I'll be editing a little close to the mic there. I'll be editing this video as in DaVinci Resolve, just as text, not text, and I'm too close to the mic. And I'll be showing you pretty much exactly what to do. Yeah, so you see how it's kind of like stuttery, not smooth, like how I'm doing it right now. First tip I'm gonna give you: start where you actually start making sense. This, I think it's right here. Let me. Right here, then you put your thing right before it. Right click. There's probably key combinations, whatever the short word of that is, to do it. But I just hit split and hit the delete on my keyboard over here. Then you would start off with, "Hey guys, this is a test video." Then soon as that little sound bar right here at the bottom, or the little sound wave or whatever you want to call it, the little spike in sound ends, that's exactly where you want to split it again. So you just want to split it on those specific points. Oh, and if you accidentally get into here, you could just do Control-Z, but you shouldn't really have to. It's just the basic way of doing it, I found. So listen. Hey guys, this is a test video. I'll be editing. I probably could have made that a little smoother by separating them, but it's good enough. So after that, if you ever wanted to add some text or titles, there's this little thing at the top right here. Maybe I should get an F11. Never mind that thing. Then you can do your own little thing. Let's say I wanted it to look like a movie. I would drag it into this other thing I made up here. Not that, up here. And you can just kind of drag it back to where you originally put it. So I see it sample. You can go to the wand and make sure you have it selected, because where else it won't do this. So horizontal slide, you get the name, and you could change it to the first one. You could change it to, well. And you can put the bottom to whatever you want. This doesn't matter. You could change the color, do all that cool stuff. But if you wanted to do that, that's how you do that. There's a more complicated way where you can control it easier. And it'd probably be a lot better. But this is just a standard basic way. Like I said, then, hey guys, this is a test video. I'll be editing. And just because of my PC's like lack of power, it lags but on here, but when you actually upload it, it shouldn't. Oh, a little close to the mic there. And you can shorten it physically, but it won't have a transition out. I'm pretty sure you can add that transition back in, or do the more complicated way, which I'll show you guys later on a different video. But that's just pretty much how you do that. And if you ever wanted to make your video look a little cooler before you cut these, I'll just do the longer one. You go into this little, not that, come on, hurry, this, and just click on that second longer one, and you change it, exposure, saturation on these exact these at least. There's more settings in here that you can play with to make it look good. Make it look really weird if I like start messing with crap. It's mainly at the bottom right here. It's where you can tint, hue, contrast, whatever that is, and whatever that stuff is. There's other stuff in here, but this is the more complicated. You see how weird it looks now that I've done that? One thing, I would recommend a little bit of a higher quality PC to run this. Nothing That's like, you gotta have like an pretty good i5 and something with a graphics card, no integrated graphics or stuff like that. Yeah, see? And plus my PC's running OBS in this at the exact same time. It doesn't like multitasking like that. Now that it looks weird, you can, there's more things. You can add a little effects to it by doing the exact same. Actually, no, you put it in it this time, actually, sorry. Putting it in there, then you can kind of make it look. I'll be editing. It'll look weird. The DaVinci Resolve is like one of the best editing softwares for free that you can get. There's so many different effects, transitions too. Then when you want to add your music, you'll just get your file, drag and drop. Then over here you can kind of edit it if it'll ever load. There you go. And edit it to the exact stuff you want. That's pretty much the basics. So if there's something I haven't made clear about in this video, exporting, you should be able to figure that out. That should be it. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.